Hey everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So the Buick transmission has been leaking oil. Not a lot, it only seems to do it after you stop and let it sit, and I think it's coming out of the speedometer output shaft. I did some research and that seems like it's a problem area. You gotta replace the seals from time to time. And I did find a company, I think it was Classic Transmission Solutions. Through my searching, they do sell these whole units with seals. I almost bought one. And then I realized, well, let me go through my rebuild kit because there were packages I didn't open, and I do have seals for the output shaft. There's two of them. I think this is my kit because I don't see a second O-ring on the one that I have. This says ST300 and TH400. The Buick has an ST400, which is the same as a TH400, but there's a few little differences here and there. So I think that's my kit. So I took it out of the car. Be prepared. It's gonna drain out like a pint of fluid or more. So I had a catch can underneath there. It almost completely filled it. So let me pull the seal out. So you got the seal inside there and you got the O-ring. So let me get this in my vise. I'll be right back. All right, so I got this carefully clamped in my vise. It's aluminum, so obviously we don't want to crank down on it too hard, but I think I see that. Yeah, that's the metal clip there that holds the seal in. Yeah. So we got that out. They give you a new one of those in the kit. And then the seal, let's see, let's carefully pull that out. There we go. There we go, we got that. Clean that opening out a little bit. I'll put the new ones in, I'll be back.